Want to earn from home without a college degree? Here are 5 legit US jobs hiring now. No degree needed. Now, what are the top 5 work from home jobs that don't require a degree? Let's go. No. 1 is remote customer support. Now, companies like Amazon, LiveOps, and Delta hire reps to answer customer questions via phone, email, or chat. Now, if you can write, you can make money. Companies on Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger are willing to pay you for your writing services. Now, on sites like Clickworker or Data, you can find data entry jobs paying $10 to $17 an hour. Now, if you're good with TikTok, IG, or Facebook, businesses want you to manage their pages and they'll pay you for your services. 2 things. First, drop it in the comments and I'll send you the links to apply for these jobs. Second, hit the follow button for more no-degree job tips just like this one. The pay starts from $20 an hour and increases with experience. Now be careful of scams, but legit companies are out there. The pay is $30 to $100 plus per article. All you need is good communication skills. No degree required. The pay is $15 to $20 an hour. Now businesses need help with emails, scheduling, or research, and they're willing to pay you to do it. On sites like Upwork, you can find virtual assistant jobs paying $18 an hour or more. No degree required. No. 2 is freelance writing. No. 3 is becoming a virtual assistant. No. 4 is data entry jobs. No. 5 is becoming a social media manager. So how can you get the most out of this video?